Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're making the most delightful chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream cake ever. Forget store-bought cakes. This homemade treat features a chewy, golden brown cookie base, creamy vanilla ice cream, and chunks of safe-to-eat cookie dough. Every bite is a celebration of flavor and texture. This cake is perfect for celebrating any occasion, big or small, turning an ordinary day into something special. Get ready to create some kitchen magic with this easy, impressive, and delicious dessert you'll want to make repeatedly. Before we dive into the delicious world of homemade treats, let's make sure we have everything we need. Gathering your ingredients ahead of time is the secret to a smooth, stress-free baking experience. So let's take a moment to assemble our awesome shopping list. We're not looking for anything fancy or complicated, just simple pantry staples that, when combined, create pure magic. For the cookie base, you'll need all-purpose flour, which is the foundation of our cookies, giving them structure and that perfect chewy bite. Next, grab some baking soda to help our cookies rise and become light and fluffy, a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness, unsalted butter for richness, and brown sugar for that deep caramel flavor. Don't forget granulated sugar for sweetness, a fresh egg to bind everything together, a splash of vanilla extract for warmth and aroma, and plenty of chocolate chips, because what's a cookie without chocolate? Now, for the edible cookie dough, yes, the kind you can eat straight from the bowl without worry. You'll need heat-treated flour to make it safe to eat, a stick of butter for creaminess, brown sugar for that classic cookie dough taste, a splash of milk or cream to bring it all together, a little vanilla, a pinch of salt, and mini chocolate chips for bursts of chocolate in every bite. For the grand assembly, ensure you have a tub of vanilla ice cream and some whipped topping on hand. You'll also want hot fudge or chocolate syrup to drizzle over your creation, adding that extra layer of decadence. And don't forget the finishing touches, extra chocolate chips or colorful sprinkles to make your dessert pop and add a bit of fun. One crucial tip, ensure your butter is softened to room temperature, not melted. This helps your dough come together perfectly and gives your cookies the right texture. When it comes to ice cream, choose a good quality vanilla for the best flavor. The creamier, the better. But don't be afraid to get creative. If you're feeling adventurous, try swapping in chocolate or coffee ice cream for a twist on the classic. Chocolate and coffee ice cream both pair beautifully with cookie dough and add a whole new dimension to your dessert. The key to a smooth and enjoyable baking session is having all your ingredients measured and ready to go before you start. This is called mise en place, and it makes the process not only easier, but also a lot more fun. Think of each ingredient as a building block. Layer by layer, you're creating something truly special. You'll have your cookie, edible dough, and ice cream all coming together in perfect harmony. Now that you're prepped and your kitchen is filled with the promise of something amazing, it's time to get baking. Put on your apron, turn up your favorite tunes, and let the fun begin. The adventure starts now. Let's make some magic together. To begin our dessert masterpiece, we start with the ultimate foundation, a giant chewy chocolate chip cookie base. This isn't just any cookie. It's the heart and soul of your dream dessert, providing the perfect balance of softness and structure. Imagine the aroma of freshly mixed dough, the anticipation building as you press it into the pan, knowing this will be the base for something truly special. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial for even baking, ensuring your cookie base cooks perfectly from edge to center. In a medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. This simple mix is the backbone of your cookie, giving it that classic texture and flavor we all love. In a separate, larger bowl, cream together softened butter with both brown sugar and granulated sugar. Take your time here. Creaming until the mixture is light and fluffy is what gives your cookie its irresistible chew and rich caramel notes. Next, beat in a large egg and a generous splash of vanilla extract. These add moisture and depth, making every bite flavorful and tender. Gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring just until everything is combined. Be careful not to overmix. This keeps your cookie soft. Then, gently fold in plenty of chocolate chips, making sure every bite is packed with melty chocolate goodness. Now, press the dough evenly into a 9-inch springform pan. Use your hands or a spatula to smooth the top, ensuring an even thickness for consistent baking. Slide your pan into the preheated oven and bake for 18 to 22 minutes. Watch for those golden edges and a slightly soft center. This is the secret to a cookie base that's both sturdy and tender. Once baked, let the cookie base cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This step is key. Cooling allows the cookie to set, making it strong enough to hold all the delicious layers. A thick, sturdy, yet tender cookie base makes all the difference. It's the canvas for your dessert dreams, supporting every layer without getting soggy or falling apart. Don't rush this part. Patience is your friend. Let the cookie cool fully. The wait will be worth it when you slice into perfect, clean layers later. Once your cookie base is completely cool, carefully remove the pan ring. Now you're ready to build the next delicious layer. With your cookie foundation set, it's time to move on to the real magic, layering on more cookie dough goodness. Let's get started. Now, let's make edible cookie dough. No eggs, no worries. Heat treat your flour. Spread it on a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, then cool. In a bowl, beat softened butter and brown sugar until creamy. Stir in milk and vanilla. Add cooled flour and salt, mixing just until combined. Fold in mini chocolate chips. Chill the dough in the fridge to firm it up. This dough is safe, delicious, and perfect for layering. Use mini chips for extra chocolate in every bite. Once chilled, it's ready to be dotted over your ice cream layer. Childhood dreams upgraded. Keep it simple. Don't overmix. Get excited because it's time for some delicious ice cream. Let's dive into a world of flavors. It's time to indulge in the ultimate treat, ice cream. Let it soften for 10-15 minutes until spreadable but not melted. Make sure your cookie base is completely cool. Scoop the softened ice cream onto the cookie base in the springform pan. Spread it evenly with an offset spatula or spoon. Work quickly to keep it from melting. This smooth, creamy layer is the perfect canvas for cookie dough. Excited to take the next leap? Let's dive in and create something amazing together. Now let's add the cookie dough. Take chilled dough and pinch off marble-sized pieces. Dot them all over the ice cream, pressing gently so they nestle in. Make sure every slice gets plenty of dough. Once covered, freeze the cake for 30-60 minutes to set the layers. This step keeps everything firm for the final topping. The anticipation is building. Your cake is almost ready. Chewy cookie, creamy ice cream, and cookie dough in every bite. After freezing, you're ready for the grand finale. It's coming together beautifully. Let's finish strong. It's time to elevate your creation with the perfect finishing touch. Luxurious whipped topping. Make sure it's thawed and easy to spread. Remove the cake from the freezer and cover the top with whipped topping. Smooth it out or create swirls for a festive look. Drizzle with hot fudge or chocolate syrup in any pattern you like. Sprinkle on extra mini chips or colorful sprinkles. Cover loosely and freeze for at least 4 hours or overnight. This final freeze sets the cake for perfect slicing. When ready to serve, run a knife around the pan and release the springform. Slice with a hot knife for clean edges. Get ready for applause. Your masterpiece is complete. Dessert dreams do come true. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Let's elevate your game. Use a springform pan for easy release. No springform? Line a regular pan with plastic wrap for easy lifting. Try different ice cream flavors, chocolate, coffee, or even a mix. Swap in peanut butter chips or toffee bits for a twist. For perfect slices, dip your knife in hot water and wipe dry before each cut. Store leftovers tightly wrapped in the freezer for up to a week. Make it ahead for parties. This cake is a time saver. A slice of this cake turns any day into a celebration. Experiment, have fun, and make it your own. Happiness is just a slice away. Just take a moment to admire your creation. A dazzling chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream cake that's sure to steal the spotlight. Be proud. You nailed every step, from baking to layering. Share your masterpiece on social media and tag us. We'd love to see it. Drop a photo in the comments and tell us how it went. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking journey. Remember to keep baking and keep smiling. Now go on and enjoy every bite. You've earned it. Until next time, happy baking!